So if you want to import 3D Lego models from Mechabricks into Blender, first you will need to download the free Mechabricks Lite add-on. So go to their website, I put a link in the description, make an account on the Mechabricks website, and make sure to verify your account, or you won't be able to download models. If you already have an account, just log in, go to the shop, click on Blender Lite, click on Add to Cart, go to the shopping cart and click Checkout. Now click on your username in the top right, go to Purchases, and where it says Blender Lite, click on Download. Now a blenderlite.zip file will appear in your Downloads folder. Because I like organized files, I keep all my add-ons in my Windows 3D Objects folder in an add-on folder I made there. You can place it where you want, of course. Now open Blender, go to Edit, click on Preferences, go to Add-ons, and click on the arrow pointing down. Select Install from Disk, and now navigate to the place where you put the blenderlite.zip file. Select it and click on Install from Disk. To be sure it's saved, click on the button with the 3 horizontal lines and click on Save Preferences. Now restart Blender. Next, open the Mechabricks website again and find the model you would like to import into Blender. I'm going for an old police car set. I'm going to type in the Lego set number 7236 and press enter. Now I'm going with the model made by Sepsan21. In the 3D view you can look around while holding left mouse button. Now to get this as a downloadable file, click on Editor. Now the model will get loaded into the 3D Mechabricks editor. In here go to File and click on Export. Under Format select Blender Add-on and click on Export. Now it will download. Open Blender again, go to File, then to Import, and click on Mechabricks. Navigate to where the ZMBX file is downloaded. For me, it's in Downloads. Select your file and click on Import ZMBX. Now the model is in Blender. To see the textures, click on the Material Preview button. This could take a bit of time to load in, depending on your PC. And now the Lego model is in Blender.